The power of combination. Automatic motorbike wash and helmet cleaning machine. If you already own or are considering investing in the Go&Go automatic conveyor belt, motorbike washing machine, why not add a helmet cleaning service to maximize profits? Go&Go's automatic helmet cleaning machine is the perfect solution for enhancing your service value, especially when paired with the automatic motorbike washing machine. Customers will appreciate the comprehensive service, a clean motorbike, and a spotless, dry helmet. This not only attracts more customers, but also increases revenue from your existing customer base. With synchronized and efficient operations, you'll optimize all resources without significant additional costs. If you're interested in our automatic motorbike washing machine and helmet cleaning machine, please leave a comment below the video or contact Go&Go for support. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.